Hello and welcome to DueDeck tutorials.
In this video, we will see how to create a new employee manually. So here we can see from the dashboard, we'll click on employee, which is the fourth tab over here. After clicking over here, we can see the list of employees which are already there. We have the option to export in Excel all the list of employees. If you want to apply a filter, there is a filter option by filtering any name of the employee, his email ID, his designation or department. Admin privilege, that if you have given any administrative rights to the user, then it can be selected from over here. The active inactive employees can also be filtered from here. Here are some additional columns which are not provided. So if you want, you can add or reduce the columns from the screen. Now you can see that add new employee option over here. Here is the basic details. If you are issuing ID cards to your employees, you can fill this field, or it's not mandatory. The red asterisk mark where it is provided to above the field name is mandatory. So the name I will update as Amit Goyal. Email ID I will update as amit.goyal 12785 at gmail.com. His mobile number, that is mandatory. So on the screen, only name, email ID and mobile number, these fields are mandatory. So bank account details, if you want to collect the data for salary purpose or remuneration purpose, you can collect. This is not mandatory field. Bank account name, holder's name, bank account holder's name, branch name of the bank, bank account number, IFSC code and account type. His job details, what is the joining date, what is his designation. This designation can be created through the employee master, then that will appear over here. So the employee designation, whatever you have assigned to him, that can be selected from over here. Then department, which department this candidate or this team member belongs to, will be updated from here. If he has left and inactive employee, you can update the relieving date for your record purpose. Aadhaar number just for our KYC purpose is provided. PAN number is for our KYC or TDS purposes we have provided. CTC is just for information purpose. If you want to update, you can update. It is not mandatory. You can update the resume for your records. You can upload his KYC like Aadhaar, PAN, passport if you need. And any additional document can also be uploaded over here. If you want, you can upload other documents or experience details also. Next tab is permission. So these permissions are the actual modules provided under DueDeck. This is the employee module. Whether you want to give rights to add any employee, edit any employee details, you can give access to that user to add. So this Amit Goyal will have right to add any employee or edit any information of the employee. Similarly, client, there are two options given additional, that if you want to show the client's username and password for various registrations, or you don't want to give this access, you can uncheck this box and create the restrictions for the user. And if you want to allow this user to add any client or edit any client, then you can tick the checkbox and the employee will be able to create any client or edit any client. Similar way, notice module is there. All tasks option to change the status of multiple tasks at a time, to take bulk action, to cancel the task, to change the status of the task, or to receive the documents in bulk, or change the employee in bulk. If you want to give this access, you have the option to give this option to the user. Next is service and visitor. So this way you can update the employee on manually. There is another option to create the employee in bulk while implementation, that is there through Excel file, that we'll see in another video. So thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you still have any questions, please feel free to raise a ticket from Need Help section of your account and we will address it as soon as possible. See you next time.